Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk. This is the brand new iPhone XS Max, and today is a very quick basic video just showing you how to insert your SIM card and talking about the dual SIM options you have with your brand new device. So first of all, make sure you have a nano size SIM card, you have the correct SIM tool that comes provided in the box, and power your device off. So to do this, just press the Siri button and also then the volume up key together at the same time. You're going to get this option come up, slide to turn off your device. So once that's powered off, turn to the right hand side, you're going to see where you need to insert your SIM card. Align your SIM tool up, press straight down, fill out your SIM tray. So in China, what they're going to do is allow you to put one SIM card one side, one SIM card the other side, which is a really great feature. So for the rest of the world, you're going to use a nano size SIM card, which is this one here. So line this up and sit this in the tray correctly. So that is fitted into the tray there correctly. And then the other SIM card is going to be an eSIM, and this is where you're going to add it in through the menu options. So returning your SIM card back into your phone, just line these back up, push all the way in, and what we're going to do is power our device on. So as the device is powering on, I'm going to turn your attention now to a website, which is Apple's own website, using dual SIM with an eSIM. So Apple is going through detailed explanation here how to connect both your physical SIM and your eSIM. So the link will be in the description. If you have any problems, drop a comment down below. I will be more than happy to help. So once your device is all powered back on and you've unlocked it, if you pull down from the right hand corner, you're going to get your control center here. And inside here, you've got 3, which is my mobile network, some mobile bars as well. So we're all up and ready to go. So now your signal is all up and running. You can make phone calls, use your data, receive text messages, and enjoy all of your social media. If we go into settings and then go into mobile data, or it might be called cellular network if you live outside of Europe, inside here, you're going to have all your information. So you will notice that eSIM is actually not available yet. It's going to come in the later update, but this is where it be inside here. You can choose then which applications you can use your mobile data network, Wi-Fi calling, and then personal hotspots if that's allowed as well. So coming back home, we're all set up and ready to go. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help. Please give the video a thumbs up as it does help. Subscribe and ring that little bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.